Hello everybody, welcome again to our course AutoCAD 2020. Now in this lecture we want to learn how we can uh, create or type a text in AutoCAD. So if we have a project we need to put labels for the part of the project or name of the project or the name of the rooms number. So we need to create or type a text. So how we can type an AutoCAD? To do this, it's very easy. We can go to here, multi-line text. We can go and put here the limit of typing. So we can begin AutoCAD, for example, 2020. So as we can show here, for example, we can from here increase or decrease or type here the height of the uh, text that we need. We can change, for example, the type, okay, of the text, okay. So we can show change the type here, for example this, the color, for example, can choose and the color that we need. Here we can, for example, as the word, we can upper bold, italic, can here put like this, okay, underline here, overline also here, for the superscript, subscript here, for the low and uppercase. Also here, for example, if we need to to put this text in the center, right here, okay. Line spacing also here. If we also we need to put number or bullet or anything. This is so how are the properties of the text, we can edit it. It's very also a most important thing. If we need to increase if we select this text, we can go to annotation here. We can show here that this text is with this text style. This text is typing with this text style. We can change and put standard, for example, okay. And here also we can increase manually the case, okay, to be with the first line, okay. So if we go to edit any type, we can edit any type. For example here the standard, let's put it, for example, 20. Can do apply. This was the standard, okay. Also let's see here, put so now here let's put it 20. Okay, when here we double click and choose standard, the text height decrease, okay. So this is all the point related to the text typing here. Also this is typing with multi-text. Also we can do single line here and type anything, for example single line. The single line is for if we need to type anything for and fast, so we can't edit it, okay. So when we need to type, the most use it or major of using is multi-line text, okay. This is how we can type an AutoCAD 2020. Thank you for listening. We'll continue in the next lecture.